All right, so for number one, it says like factor and find. Basically, you're solving the equation. I meant to mark this out and change it, but really, if you just want to write it as like that equal to 0, just like the book had them. Right, so like you would technically have like x to the third. Can you see the red okay? Okay. Sometimes stuff shows up weird when I write on a picture. Right, and it's telling you that like you have this factor already, so we know that x is equal to -5. So it's basically giving you one solution to start with. That way you don't have to like play the guessing game of which one's going to work. Like I was trying to simplify that process for you a little bit. So you still need to technically take your p and q, which is 1, and like write your list of factors. So factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. And then so q is just 1. So then your p over q is going to be 1, 3, 5, 15. So we know that this is our list of factors. We know that -5 is going to work for one of them. So that's what I would start with. Like, so your -5 in your box. Because you have to set it equal to 0. You have to change the sign with a synthetic division. Yep, so you put the -5 in the box, and then your coefficients are 1, 9, 23, 15. And so for this one, since it starts with x to the third, like when you do your synthetic division, you're going to have x squared. So you really just have to do the synthetic division once, and then it gets to the point where you can just factor the quadratic. All right, so let's do our synthetic division. So we'll bring down the 1. And 1 times -5 is -5. Then 9 minus 5 is 4. Then times -5 is -20. 23 plus -20 is -3. Positive 3. Sorry. And then positive 3 times -5 is -15 and 0. So when we put our variables back in, we get x squared plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. And then now we can factor that, and then we're done. So these are a lot shorter than what you did in your homework problems. The only one that's going to be close to that is like number 3 has x to the 4th. But really, if you notice, it doesn't have a term on the end. So you can factor 1 out there. So it'll work out still a lot faster than some of these other ones even did. All right, so then our factors are x plus 1 and x plus 3. So then we also know that x is going to equal -1 and -3. So then those are our 3 answers. -1, -3, -5. And we're done. Right. So I picked shorter ones. Does that help? That's what we're doing? All right.